What is verb conjugation? In our video on subject-verb agreement, we learned a verb must be transformed into the number and person indicated by a subject. A link to that video is in the description below. In this video, we'll review common variations between so-called Standard English and Black English that occur when it comes to verb conjugation. Conjugation refers to the process of transforming the verb. For example, in Black English, you might say, "He don't play." There is nothing incorrect about this sentence. However, depending on the context in which you are speaking or writing, another form may be more acceptable or appropriate. He doesn't play. Just as James Baldwin notes in If Black English Isn't a Language, Then Tell Me What Is, the delegitimization of other forms is rooted in the oppression of Black people rather than any inherent incorrectness. Language, after all, is arbitrary and varies across different cultures. Let's try another example. What was you thinking? In different settings, another form is acceptable. What were you thinking? Note that in both examples, Black English is following a form of subject-verb agreement, just one that is different from that of so-called Standard English. Whereas in Standard English, the third-person singular he leads to conjugation different from that of its plural counterpart. In Black English, the conjugation is the same. Watch. He don't play, they don't play. But because you are navigating different settings in life, the other form may be useful to you. He doesn't play. Similarly, with our second example, what was you thinking? A second person singular verb maintains the same conjugation as that of the first person singular verb. What was I thinking? Watch. But in Standard English, we'd say, what were you thinking? Of course, not all Black people use Black English, and some people who use it aren't Black. But it's worth recognizing the particular history and culture tied to this language. Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.